Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Swift code of NMB bank. First, let's understand what is a Swift code is. A Swift code is a special bank code used for international money transfer. When you send or receive money from another country, this code helps to reach the money to the correct bank and branch. Now let's see how you can find the Swift code of NMB bank. If you already have an NMB bank account, check your bank statement, passbook or account opening document. The Swift code is often written there. You can also log into the NMB mobile app or internet banking. After login, go to the account details or international transfer option. You will find the Swift code shown over there. Or you can visit your nearest NMB bank branch or call customer care, ask them for the Swift code on your branch and they will help you. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.